Hi, hello, welcome back. Hope you are all having a great time. Today we will make 4 healthy and easy to prepare snacks. 3 of them are sweet and 1 is savory. Into the blender, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida. Add salt. Since this is a sweet dish, don't add too much of salt, along with a pinch of cardamom powder. This is optional. Add enough water and blend all of this into a smooth batter. The consistency that we need is similar to that of dosa batter. Spread the batter evenly on the pan. Once this side is done, flip it over. While the second side is getting cooked, we will quickly make the filling. Take some grated coconut, add sugar and mix well. You may increase or decrease the quantity of grated coconut and sugar as per your preference. Now add the filling in the middle and flip both the other sides to cover the filling. My grandmother used to call this Maida roll. Kids are definitely going to like this. This snack is usually made with Nendraparam or Kerala bananas. Peel and cut them into small lengthwise pieces. Add some ghee into the pan and spread the banana pieces evenly. Now wait until it turns golden brown in color. Once done, flip it over and let the other side also turn golden brown. Now, since both the sides have turned golden brown, switch the flame off and take it out. Sprinkle some sugar on top, and this is a healthy and tasty snack. Take about 1 cup of poha or aval. Add hot milk in batches and keep mixing everything together with hands or spatula so that poha will absorb milk and become soft. Adding too much milk will make it soggy. This is enough. 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated coconut goes in. Mix well and add sugar. Add or reduce grated coconut or sugar as per your preference. This is another quick to make and healthy snack. Here I have taken a small onion finely chopped, 3 green chilies, half of a medium sized tomato and about this much of ginger, all finely chopped. Add all the ingredients except tomato and saute well, adding some salt. Once done, add the tomatoes in and let it get cooked. Some coriander leaves goes in. Saute well. We will take this out and let it cool down completely. Now Add 3 to 4 eggs and beat well. Into this goes salt, pepper and turmeric powder. And mix well. Into the Paniyaram pan, add some coconut oil or any other non-flavored oil. Fill each cavity or hole with our Paniyaram mix until 3/4 of it is filled. Don't fill it fully because as it gets cooked, it will increase its volume and will come out of the cavity if there is no space inside. Wait for a few minutes and flip it over and let the other side also get cooked. Wait for a few minutes and take it out. This can be had on its own, or if you feel like, you may use tomato chutney or coconut chutney. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.